Facing a Windows script host error on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to fix it, ensuring your system runs smoothly again. Stay tuned. First up, we're going to dive into the Registry Editor. Start by searching for Registry Editor in your search bar. Now, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A prompt might pop up asking for your permission. Click on Yes to proceed. Inside the Registry Editor, let's navigate through the maze. Double-click on hkey_classes_root. Then find and double-click on 8VBS. Got it? Now double-click on the default entry. A small window will open. Here in the Value Data field, type in VBS file and then click on OK. Perfect. Now let's give your PC a quick restart. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Restart. Simple as that. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. This time, we're going to use the command prompt. Let's search for it. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the prompt to move forward. With the command prompt open, type in sfc/scano and hit Enter. This might take a bit, so grab a cup of coffee and let it do its magic. Once the process completes, close the command prompt. We're almost done here. Just like before, let's restart your PC to make sure all those changes take effect. Right-click on the Windows Start button and hit Restart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.